Good morning, Legends. It's the end of the week and also our final Friday broadcast of the year. But don't fret, we still got plenty of announcements for today, so let's roll that intro.
It's our last Friday, Legends. I'm Jayden Zhang.
And I'm Kaysen Virani.
And these are your flamboyant Friday announcements for June 5th, 2026. From GRAD COUNCIL, Senior Splash is almost here. Remember that Senior Splash will take place after school on Tuesday, June 9th on the field from 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. only. Start planning your beach-themed outfits and get ready for one final senior celebration with the class of 2026.
Please make sure to keep an eye on the LOHS Instagram page for important rules, reminders, and event information that will be posted before the event. Let's keep the senior spirit going strong. Any sports today, Kaylin?
You know it, Kaysen. From athletics, last night saw a pair of seasons come to their completion. Our women's soccer team bowed out in the semis, losing 4-0 to Ardrossan. Thanks to all the coaches for making the season happen. Men's flag football also wrapped up in the semis. The boys defeated DAA 31-6 in Game 1 of the night, then lost a closely contested and very heated game to the eventual league winners at SPA. Thanks to Mr Jeffery for sharing his expertise with our student athletes. Weather dependent, our slo-pitch team is hoping to play their semifinal game today against Holy Trinity. Stay tuned for field updates this afternoon. If you missed yesterday's athletics banquet ticket pickup deadline and needed to see Miss Grable before the end of lunch today, and be very, very nice. Remember, the banquet is on Monday. Doors open at 4 and awards start at 4:30. Please dress semi-formal, no sweats or shorts. Any juicy news for us, Mark?
Oh yeah, this is pretty juicy, Kaylin. From Miss Alveston and the GSA, as part of our Pride Week activities, come on down to the library at lunch for a special guest speaker from the University of Alberta, Alex Marshall. She'll be doing a presentation on advocacy for the 2S LGBTQIA+ community. We hope to see you there. Ready to get creative, Kaylin?
You bet I am, Mark. From Student Supports, exams are just around the corner. Here's how you can start preparing for them now. 1. Visit the SRC website under the academic supports for study tips and guides and tutoring information. 2. Check out the Lunch and Learns in Student Services focusing on strategies on test prep and anxiety. 3. Review the study materials provided by your teachers and ask questions. Good luck on your exams, Legends. Hey Mark, is it time?
Yeah, that's right, Kaylin. It's Quiz Whiz time. What's good, Legends? Yesterday's answer was A, Tegan and Sarah, and our amazing teacher winner was Miss Greg. Now for today's question. What was the location of the first Pride March on June 28th, 1970? Is it A, San Francisco, B, New York City, C, Chicago, or D, Los Angeles? Teachers, lock in your answers and submit the Google form. Jade and Kaysen, do you guys have pride?
Of course, we love everyone. Quick reminder, we have student shoutouts today. Tune in after the credits for some amazing shoutouts. And that's it for today's announcements. Okay, what do you do?
Check the description down below for any codes or links in today's broadcast. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. And as always, check out the Student Solidarity Committee's Instagram post to see their research on current events. Go on #LOHS_SSC to stay up to date. That's it for us, children. Have a great weekend, and just remember to be legendary.
Wait, why are we?
Alright, thanks for tuning into Fast Friday, Legends, but we're not done yet. We've still got your student shoutouts. A huge thank you to today's broadcasting team, and as always, a big thank you to the Lillian Osborne Parents Association for all their help with LOHS TV.
Shout out to the class of 2026. You all should be so proud of all the hard work you've put into it to get to this point.
And a special shout out to the amazing staff and students who volunteered their time to make our amazing grad become a reality.
That's it for us, Legends. See you next week, and just remember to be legendary.